Hi, Enoch here with a great fleet tip for the holidays. Having an effective preventative maintenance plan is essential to having fleet success. However, no matter how good your plan is, it won't matter unless you have some way of notifying you when those PMs are coming due. So, what should you do? First, you need to set parameters for when you want to see PMs that are coming due. How early do you want to see those? Maybe 7 days in advance? 14? How about 30? Set that according to your needs and adjust as needed. Second, make sure you have some way of notifying you when those PMs are coming due. This could be an automated report that you get daily or weekly. Even better, you can get an automated text, email, or push notification that tells you when those PMs have reached that threshold that you have set. You should also set additional alerts for your PMs that are past due or that are due now, in case you have missed any. With careful planning and a good alert system, you should have no problem staying on top of your PMs. This will in turn keep your costs low and your availability high. Happy holidays!